6 months remedial coaching Chief Minister LAIRIK HEIMINNASI program gi sarukam OINA ngasi Mobeds ki team Amana Tamenglong Da Leiba pre-matric coaching center da Chttuna study material sing MAHEIROI SINGDA YENTHOKHRE Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tamenglong Da pangthokiba thoramaduda Mobeds ki project director amasung minority affairs department government of Manipur gi joint secretary Gangmai Gangwilu ADM Tamenglong C Kipgen MCS minority affairs department ki joint director MD Salahuddin Khan SDPO Tamenglong Riyazuddin Saha MD Alam Assistant Project Officer Amadi MD Yanus Ali Executive Engineer Mobeds na Thoramaduda Saruk Yaki Thoramaduda Don Bosco Higher Secondary School Tamenglong Principal na hairiba coaching asina School adugi MAHEIROI SINGDA adugi matikana ba piba ngamli haina coaching program asibu sinli lang diba singbu thagat pa phongdoki
Still not sure what to pursue in life, but along the way I got some good friends. That is why friends, the person that we make friends with, the peers group, hey, very important to them. And as 2-3 friends now, one is from UP, one is from Chhattisgarh, and another one kamairina ifal medim. Kanwarina, lari akai hostel hukum jip town ne mai 8 o'clock mai kum jip town ka sumai ka exam mai ngam ka. Now they used to come in the morning around 6 o'clock. They used to just drag me to the library. There was one particular friend, Sharan Kumar. He handed me one book, and I started reading GS Zamni, General Knowledge. I started reading, and interest developed. The more I read, I started, having more interest. Direction I have as a friends who influence then exam first term second attempt I prelims UPSC so as a friends who influence I took this step of appearing in this exam. So having good friends, peers groups are very important where you choose your friends wisely. Very important. And the second thing is I started continuously you have to work hard. Nang life ko success to measure activism I class have to in nasa convenience ko kum let back ko kum very power with my to oil okay intelligent